Good morning, Todd Rampe here. I'm going to get in this trade. I'm going to jump right into it. Okay, I just got filled. I'm a little bit late. I've been doing that lately for these videos. I don't know why. 10 contracts, $2,000 investment. I'm looking for a 15% return, which is what we are teaching all of our new students. Get in, get out with 15%, stack that money in your account, and get the screen time. Look at that, it just got filled. I don't know, was it 30 seconds in that trade? It's very interesting because people, a lot of times, especially new traders, don't focus on price action. Now, price action is something that you really get a handle on with more screen time. I think the price is going right here, at least the first target for me visually is right here. It's going to match a recent low. So I'd get right back in here. As a matter of fact, why don't I just get right back in? So there we go. Now the price retraced. It's almost like it's scaring all of the scared people out of the trade right here. And it's going to continue back down. When I say it's going to, that's how I think. I don't put my hands together and pray that it's going to go back down. I am 100% convinced that it's going back down because I believe in my method, my approach. If I didn't, I shouldn't be trading it. I shouldn't be putting my money on the line. And that's the way you should think. When you believe in what you're doing, it makes following the rules simpler, okay? So I'm looking for another 15% return. This time the price, $2.13. So this trade required $2,130 to buy 10 contracts. So I'm looking for whatever that is, 320, 330, 340, somewhere around there. But you see how the price is coming down? Here we go, 15.2% is 320. Here we go, little move. What I'm basically trading here is price action, and this is something you'll learn in the advanced classes. Starting to go back up. Let's just be patient, have faith in our approach, and watch what happens. Now, a lot of you look at this and say, you just let that price go from a couple $100 profit now down to a $100 loss. I don't look at it like that. The trade has not developed. You have to have the patience to let these trades develop. The old line, scared money never wins, is very true. So I'll plug my 15% back in and wait for the price to come back up there and fill me. And if it doesn't, so what? I'll wait for the next qualified trade to set up and take advantage of that. I don't let any trade affect my future judgment. Now, as the profit is increasing, a lot of times the profit will get up there and not fill you, but you've got this little close button right here above my clock, the green button right there, that you could say, you know what? I'm going to take my 13% and get out. I'm not doing that. I'm hanging out because I'm going to see a price drop right here. There you go. Couldn't have timed it better. So there's another 15%. I don't know how many minutes, but I think it's somewhere around 5 minutes. I don't know. So that's two 15% profit trades back to back. And we haven't even gotten to the area where I am 100% confident where the price is going to go. And that's that blue rectangle that I drew. If you want to learn how to do this, go to wallstreeteducation.com, and that's where you can have these charts on your computer, learn these really simple rules of engagement, and pull these 15% profit trades out of the market on a regular basis. They happen multiple times a day. We like to start all of our new students out trading the Qs or the SPY. They're incredibly inexpensive to participate. They give you a fantastic return. We have students that have been trading this method for 7-8 years and have never gotten away from trading the Qs and the SPY because the leverage is incredible and the return is phenomenal. Again, the 15% profit target is something that we teach new students to shoot for. But once you go through the advanced classes, you'll learn to hang on to these trades and make a lot more money. So I hope the price gets down there so I can sign off. Again, there we go, right there. Okay, so wallstreeteducation.com, and you just saw two back-to-back trades. You can do this. It's simple, and you can learn how to do it in a matter of days. I'll talk with you soon.